Question is integration sine square x. We have to integrate sine square x. You see, to integrate this, we use this formula cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. The value of cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This minus 2 sine square theta we shift here and cos 2 theta we shift here. So it will be 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now by this 2 we divide, so we will get a sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. The value of sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sine square x will be 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So this sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Okay. Now 1 by 2 we take out of the integration and it will be integration 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay. 1 by 2 out same. Integration of this one is x minus integration of this cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 and we add a constant c. Okay, integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So it will be x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 plus c, the final answer. Integration cos square x. Okay, you see we have the same formula, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, 1 we shift here, it is 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, when we shift this one here, it is 1 plus cos 2x and this will be 2 cos square x. Now cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so this cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now you see integration of this one is x and integration of cos 2x is minus sin 2x by 2 plus c. Integration sin cube x. You see, if you have to integrate sin cube x, it can be written as sin square x into sin x dx. If the power of sin is odd, then one we shift, one we separate it. Okay, and now this we convert in cos. So sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, and this sin x dx we write same. Now what we do? We put cos x as t. If we put cos x as t, then sin x dx we will get minus dt. Okay, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so that minus we shift here. So it is integration 1 minus cos x we put as t, so it is t square, and the sin x dx will be minus dt. It is minus t plus t cube by 3 plus c. Okay, the integration of this one is t and integration of this t square is t cube by 3. Now minus t. What is t? T is cos x. So cos x plus cos cube x by 3 plus c, the final answer. Integration cos cube x dx. Okay, you see this cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x dx. Okay, here also we do the same. Cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x, and this cos we convert in sine. So cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x, and this cos x dx we write same. Now sin x we put as t, then we will get cos x dx is equal to dt. So it is integration 1 minus t square dt, that will be t minus t cube by 3 plus c, and t, what is the value of t? T is sin x. So sin x minus sin cube x by 3 plus c, the final answer. Sin cube x cos cube x dx. You see, multiply and divided by, you can write as sin x into cos x whole cube dx. Power we write only once, and we multiply it by 2 and divide by the same. Multiply and divide by 2. Now this 2 cube will be 8, so 1 by 8 out, and 2 sin x cos x will be sin 2x dx. After this, it can be solved in the same way as we have solved the first two questions. Integration sin 4x cos 3x dx. Okay, what we do? Multiply it by 2 and divide by same. Integration. Now here 2 sin a cos b. It is 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula of 2 sin a cos b? It is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This will be 2 sin a cos b. So by this formula we change it. It is 2 sin a cos b will be sin a plus b, that is 4x plus 3x, plus sin a minus b, that is 4x minus 3x dx. Now what we do? It is 1 by 2 same. Integration. You see, sin, it will be sin 7x plus sin x dx. Okay, and integration sin x, sin 7x will be cos 7x by 7 minus cos 7x by 7, and integration of sin x is minus cos x, plus we add a constant c. Integration cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x dx. You see, we multiplied by 2 and divide by the same. This 1 by 2 out same, and here we apply 2 cos a cos b. The formula of 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. This formula we apply here. So this is 2 cos a cos b will be cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. And you see, this cos 6x we write in the same way. Okay, no change in this cos 6x. This 1 by 2 same, and it is integration cos 2x plus 4x is 6x plus cos 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, and this cos 6x we multiply here as well as here. So this will be cos square 6x, and this will be cos 2x into cos 6x dx. Okay, now question is, this 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, but cos of minus theta is cos theta only, so this remains the same. Again we multiplying and divided by 2. So multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Outside it will become 1 by 4. Integration, this 2 cos square 6x. The value of 2 cos square 6x is 1 plus cos 12x. Okay, 1 plus cos 12x, because 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, plus here we apply 2 cos a cos b only, that will be cos a plus b, that is 8x, plus cos a minus b, that will be minus 4x, but cos of minus theta is cos theta only, dx. So we will just simplify the given function in this form. Okay, and now it is integrable. We can integrate it. Integration of this one is x, plus integration of cos 12x is sin 12x by 12. Integration of cos 8x is sin 8x by 8 and integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 and add a constant c. Question is integration 10x dx. You see, to integrate 10x, we write this 10x is sin x upon cos x dx. Okay. Now what we do? We put cos x is t. Then we will get sin x dx is minus dt, because integration of cos x is minus sin x, minus we shift here. So it is integration. This sin x dx will be minus dt and this 1 upon cos x will be t and it will be log t and we add a constant c. So minus log the value of t. What is the value of t? T is cos x plus c is the final answer. So integration 10x will be minus log cos x plus c. Also it can be written as log cos x raised to power minus 1. This minus we shift in the power. So cos x raised to power minus 1. Okay. And cos x raised to power minus 1 means 1 upon cos x. The value of 1 upon cos x is sec x. So it is log sec x plus c. Like this also can be written. In the same way, if we have integration cot x dx, if we have to integrate cot x, you see, cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x. Cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x. And here what we do? We put sin x is t. So we will get cos x dx is dt. So it is integration dt by t. Okay, that will be log t plus c. That is log t is sin x plus c. So integration of cot x is log sin x and integration of 10x is log sec x. Integration sec x. If we want to integrate sec x, we multiply it by sec x plus 10x and divide by the same. Multiply and divide by sec x plus 10x. Now the denominator sec x plus 10x we put as t. Okay. Differentiation of sec x is sec x 10x and differentiation of 10x is sec square x. Differentiation of x is dx and differentiation of t is dt. From this to sec x we take common. So we will get here 10x plus sec x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So you can see this sec x into sec x plus 10x dx, it will become dt and this is t. That will be log t plus c. And you see t. What is t? Sec x plus 10x. So integration of sec x will be log sec x plus 10x. Integration cosec x dx. Okay. What we do here? Multiply and divide by cosec x minus cot x. Integration cosec x, you multiply it by cosec x minus cot x and divide by the same. Okay. Now what we do? The denominator cosec x minus cot x we put as t. Okay. Differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x and differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. This will be plus. And differentiation of x is dx and differentiation of t is dt. From this two we take cosec x common. What we get in the bracket? It will be cosec x minus cot x dx is equal to dt. So the numerator with dx become dt. It is integration dt by t. That will be log t plus c, and t here also we put in the same, cosec x minus cot x plus c. So here integration of cosec x will be log cosec x minus cot x. Now you see this cosec x minus cot x can be written as, this cosec x we write 1 upon sin x minus this cot x we write cos x upon sin x. We take LCM. It is 1 minus cos x upon sin x. Okay. 1 minus. This cosec x we write 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. And this sin x we write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. Cosec x we write 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, and sin x we write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This minus we multiply inside. 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2 upon, this will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. By this 1 we cancel. By this 2 we cancel. By this sin square we cancel. We will get as sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, that will be tan x by 2. So this cosec x minus cot x will be tan x by 2 plus c. This